How to log into Sweatcoin Shop. So if you want to log into Sweatcoin Shop application, then first you need to open up your Sweatcoin application. So make sure to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store and then tap open. And once you've opened the application, if you want to log into your account, then tap on log into my account, which is on the bottom, second option. And now you can select your Google or you can select your phone number. So if you have created your account using Google, then tap on Google, or if you have chosen phone number while creating, then enter your phone number. So I'll be choosing Google. Once you've chosen, you can simply select your Google account and tap on access physical activity and then allow. So if you want to get the notifications, then tap on yes, or if you don't want to, then tap on no. So that's it. And if you have created your Sweatcoin account by using Google, then it will automatically log you in with the information on Google. So that's how you can sign in or log into your Sweatcoin shop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.